ओम शुक्लांबरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। ओम सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः। अगजानन पद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानामेकदन्तमुपास्महे। श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां विषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। वसुधैवसुधं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं। ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां श्रीहयग्रीवमुपास्महे। श्रीहयग्रीवमूर्तये नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। श्री महासरस्वत्यै नमः। उमाकोमलहस्ताब्ज संभावितललाटकं हिरण्यकुण्डलं वन्दे कुमारं पुष्करस्वजं। श्री वेट्रिवेल मुरुगनुक्कु हर हरो हरा। लोकवीर्यं महापूज्यं सर्वरक्षाकरं विभुं पार्वती हृदयानन्दं शास्तारं प्रणमाम्यहं। स्वामिये शरणमय्यप्पा। वागर्ताविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्तप्रतिपत्तये जगदप्पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। श्री पार्वती परमेश्वराभ्यां नमः। कोमलं पूजयन् वेणुं श्यामलोऽयं कुमारकः वेदवेद्यं परब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। पीताम्बरं करविराजितचक्रचङ्गकौमोदकी सरसिजं करुणासमुद्रं राधासहायम् अतिसुन्दरमन्दहासं वातालयेशम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। कृष्णो रक्षतु मां चराचरगुरुः कृष्णं नमस्ये सदा। कृष्णे नैव सुरक्षितो मससकृत् कृष्णाय दत्तं मनः। कृष्णादेव समुद्भवो मम विभो कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहं। कृष्णे भक्तिरचञ्चलास्तु भगवन् हे कृष्ण तुभ्यं नमः। श्री गुरुवायूरप्पा शरणम्। नम्राणां सन्निधत्ते सततमपि पुरस्तैरनभ्यर्थितानपि अर्थान् कामानजस्रं वितरति परमानन्दसान्द्रां गतिं च। इत्थं निःशेषलभ्यो निरवधिकफलः पारिजातो हरे त्वं क्षुद्रं तं शक्रवाटी द्रुममभिलषति व्यर्थमर्त्यव्रजोऽयम्। श्रीगुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं। श्रीभट्टपादम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। वंशी विभूषितकरात् नवनीरधाभात् पीताम्बरात् अरुणबिम्बफलाधरोष्टात् पूर्णेन्दुसुन्दरमुखात् अरविन्दनेत्रात् कृष्णात् परं किमपि तत्त्वमहं न जाने। കൈരണ്ടും കൂപ്പി ഞാൻ വീണ്ടുമീറക്കുന്നു നിരജലോചന നിന്നോടായി. ഏതീനു മഞ്ഞനെ കുമ്പിടേന്താത്തോരു രീതിയിൽ നീ എന്നെ പാലിക്കെന്നായി. കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ कृष्णा हरे जय कृष्णा हरे। Okay, everybody. So today's class, what we'll do is we'll have two people chant Dashakam 15 that we completed last time. And then we stopped at 17, fourth stanza. We'll complete 17 and then we'll get on to 22. So that's the plan for today. So in the 15th chapter on the Sujata, can you and Ammu Chechi, you guys, if you both can do that. And then the 22nd, we'll have Priya, if you and Janaki. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Okay, Suja, you want to go first?
Okay. Matiriha gunashakta bandhakriteshvashakta tu amritakrita parunde bhakti yogastu shaktim mahadanugamalabhya bhaktirevatra sadhya kapilatanarutitvam devahutyai nyagadihi prakriti mahadahankarascha matrascha bhutani api hridapita sakshi purushah panchavinshah इति विदित विभागो मुच्यते सौ प्रकृत्याः कपिलतनरुतित्वं देवहूत्यै न्यगादीः प्रकृतिगतगुणौगैः नाज्यते पूरुषोऽयं यति तु सजति तस्यां तद्गुणात् स्वं भजेरन् मदनुभजनतत्त्वालोचनैः साभ्यपेयात् कपिलतनरुतित्वं देवहूत्यै न्यगादीः विमलमतिरूपाद्यैः आसनाद्यैर्मदङ्गम्
ஒரு செகண்ட் யா இல்ல இஸ் ரூப் விமலமதிரூபாத்தைஹி நாட்
ஓகே விமலமதிரூபாத்தைஹி
தை இல்ல வெறும் தா இத் அண்ட் தா
ஓ ரூபாத்தைஹி ஓகே 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 நான் தப்பாவே பிராக்டிஸ் பண்ணேன் ஓகே விமலமதிரூபாத்தைஹி ஆசனாத்யைர்மதங்கம் गरुड समधिरूढं दिव्यभाषायुधांगं भूषायुधांगं रुचितुलितं तमालं शीलयेतानुवेलं कपिलतनरुतित्वं देवहूत्यै न्यगादीः मम गुणगणलीला कर्णनैः कीर्तनाद्यैः मयि सुरसरिदोगप्रख्यचिन्तानुवृत्तिः भवति परम् चित्तानुवृत्तिः भवति परमभक्तिः सा हि मृत्योर्विजेत्री कपिल ट्यून् मारि पोच्चे कपिलतनरुतित्वं देवहूत्यै न्यगादीः अहह बहुलहिंसा सञ्चितार्थैः कुटुम्बं प्रतिदिनमनुपुष्णन् स्त्रीजितो बाललाली विशतिः गृहशक्तो यातनां मय्यभक्तः कपिलतनरुतित्वं देवहूत्यै नगादीः युवती जठरखिन्नो जातबाधोऽभ्यकाण्डे बोधोऽभ्यकाण्डे तने करेक्ट् तने प्रसवगलितबोध पीठयोल्लङ्घ्य बाल्यं पुनरपि बद मुह्यत्येव तारुण्यकाले कपिलतनरुतित्वं देवहूत्यै न्यगादीः पितृसुरगणयाजी धार्मिको यो गृहस्थः स च निपतति काले दक्षिणाद्वोपगामी मयि निहितमकामं कर्मदूदपदार्थं कपिलतनरुतित्वं देवहूत्यै न्यगादीः इति सुविदितवेद्यां देवहे देवहूतिं कृतनुतिमनुगृह्य त्वं गतो योगी संगैः विमलमतिरतासौ भक्तियोगेन मुक्ता त्वमपि जनहितार्थं वर्तसे प्राहुदीक्ष्यां ஓகே ஓகே நான் வேற தப்பா பிராக்டிஸ் பண்ணேன் பிராஹு தீக்ஷ்யாம் ஓகே தீக்ஷ்யாம்னு பிராக்டிஸ் பண்ணேன் தப்பா ஓகே परम किमु बहुत्या त्वत्पदाम्बोज भक्तिं सकल भवति नेत्रीं सर्वकामोपने
सकल भय विनेत्रीं
सकल भय विनेत्रीं सर्वकामोपनेत्रीं वदसि खलु दृढं त्वं तत् विदूयामयान्मे गुरुपवनपुरेश त्वय्युपादस्वभक्तिम् Okay.
Amuchechi, you want to go?
I think she's at...
Amuchechi, you there?
She's on mute.
You are on mute, Amuchechi. Click the mic button.
Rajesh, can't you do?
You see it?
Unmuted her.
He did. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Madhuriha gunasakta bandakrityesha saktad amridakriduparunde bhakti yogastu saktim mahadanugamalabhya bhaktirevatra sadhya kapilatanuridittvam devahutyaina gadihi prakriti mahadahangarascha matrascha bhutani abhihridavidachakshi purusha panjavimshaha इति विदित विभागो मुच्यते सौप्रकृत्याः कपिलतनुरुदित्वं देवहूत्यै नगादीः प्रकृतिगतगुणैः नाज्यते पुरुषोऽयं यदि तु सजति तस्यां तद्गुणस्तं भजेरन् मदनुभजन तत्त्वालोचनैः साप्यपेयात् कपिलतनुरुदित्वं देवहूत्यै नगादीः विमलमधिरुपात्तैः आसनाद्यैर्मदङ्गं गरुडसमधिरूढं दिव्यभूषायुधाङ्गं रुचितुलिततमालं शीलयेदानुवेलं कपिलतनुरुदित्वं देवहूत्यै नगादीः मम गुणगणलीलाकर्णनैः कीर्तनाद्यैः मयि सुरसरिधोग प्रख्यचित्तानुवृत्तिः भवति परमभक्तिः साहि मृत्योर्विजेत्री कपिलतनुरुदित्वं देवहूत्यै नगादीः.
Amuchechi, just a small correction. The bhavati parama bhaktihi, you can just pause there briefly and then say sahi mrityor vijetri.
Bhavati parama bhakti sahi mrityor vijetri कपिलतनुरुदित्वं देवहूत्यै नगादीः अहह बहुलहिंसा सञ्जिदार्तैः कुटुम्बं प्रतिदिनमनुपुष्णन् श्रीजिदो बाललाळी विशदिः गृहसक्तो यादनां मयि अभर्तः कपिलतनुरुदित्वं देवहूत्यै नगादीः युवति जठरखिन्नो जातबोधोऽप्यकाण्डे प्रसवगलितबोध पीडयोल्लङ्घ्य बाल्यं पुनरविबदमुह्यति एव तारुण्यकाले कपिलतनुरुदित्वं देवहूत्यै नगादीः.
One correction there. The muhyati eva is correct. Okay. But when you are saying it together, it becomes muhyat eva tarunya kale. But if you want to really break it, you can do that. That is also the right way of saying. But for consistency, you can say it as punarapi bata muhyat eva tarunya kale.
पुनरभिपदमुह्यत्येव तारुण्यकाले कपिलतनुरुदित्वं देवहूत्यै नगादीः पितृसुरगणयाजी धार्मिको यो गृहस्थः स च निपतति काले दक्षिणाद्योपगामी मयि निहितमकामं कर्म तूदत्पदार्थं कपिलतनुरुदित्वं देवहूत्यै नगादीः इति सुविदितवेद्यां देवाहे देवहूतिं कृतनुतिमनुगृह्य त्वं गदो योगिसङ्गैः विमलमधिरथासौ भक्तियोगेन मुक्ता त्वमपि जनहितार्थं वर्तसे प्रागुदीच्याम् परम किमुपहूत्या त्वं त्वत्पदाम्बोजभक्तिं सकलभयविनेत्रीं सर्वकामोपनेत्रीं वदसि खलु दृढं त्वं त्वद्विदीयामयान्मे गुरुपवनपुरे सत्त्वयि उपाद स्वभक्तिम्.
Very good. Couple of small correction. The Pitru Suragana Yaji Dharmiko Yo Grihastaha. I heard the word letter Ya when you said like Grihastya. If not, that's the next line. Dakshinat Vopagami. I heard it as Vyopagami. So there is no Ya there. So it's Dakshinat Vopagami. Then I think the last paragraph, there is one line.
9th la vandu Devahan.
Devan, yeah, that was the other one. So you said Iti Suvidita Vedyam Deva, you said it's just Deva, not Deva, right? So it's just Deva. And then in the last stanza, there was one letter. I forgot to mark it. Anyway, can you just chant the last one? Just the last paragraph. Paramakimu Bahutya.
Paramakimu Bahutya Tvatpadambojabhaktim Sakalabhayavinetrim Sarvakamobanetrim Vadasi Khalu Dridam Tvam Twadviduya Mayan.
That one. It is Tadviduya. Tadviduya. It's not Tvad. It's Tadviduya. Yeah.
Vadasi Khalu Dridam Tvam Tadviduya Mayan me Guru Pavanapure Satvayubada Swabhaktim.
Very good. Okay. So, Nikki, I said, who had said? So I think, yeah, Priya and Janaki. Okay, all right, perfect. All right, so we'll go to 17. Okay, so 17, I think we finished 4. So we'll go to the 5th one. So I think, and 4, I think where we had left was
Rajesh. இந்த நாளும் நீங்க ரெக்கார்டிங் அனுப்பல, அதனால ஃபர்ஸ்ட் 4 படிச்சிருங்கோ.
அவரே படிக்க சொல்லுங்க.
நீங்களே படிச்சிருங்கோ.
Okay.
அடுத்த தடவை ரெக்கார்டிங் சாப்டர் ஃபுல்லா அனுப்பும்போது ஃபுல்லா அனுப்புங்க. No problem.
Okay, no problem.
We'll continue at 5 after you read.
Sure, no problem.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So 17. उत्तानपादनृपतेर्मनुनन्दनस्य जाया बभूव सुरुचिर्नितरामभीष्टा अन्यासु नीतिरिति भर्तुरनादृता सा त्वामेव नित्यमगतिः शरणं गताभूत् अंके पितुः सुरुचिपुत्रकमुत्तमं तं दृष्ट्वा ध्रुवः किल सुनीतिसुतोऽधिरोक्ष्यन् आच्चिक्षिपे किल शिशुः सुतरां सुरुच्या दुस्सन्त्यजा खलु भवद्विमुखैरसूया त्वन्मोहिते पितरि पश्यति धारवश्ये दूरं दुरुक्तिनिहतः सगतो निजाम्बां सापि स्वकर्मगति सन्तरणाय पुंसां त्वत्पादमेव शरणं शिशवे शशंस आकर्ण्यसोऽपि भवदर्चन निश्चितात्मा माही निरेत्य नगरात् किल पञ्चवर्षः संदृष्ट नारद निवेदित मंत्र मार्गः त्वामारराध तपसा मधुकाननान्ते. Where we left last time was in the Suniti, Suruchi, and then the 2 sons for King Uttanapada. And then Dhruva gets worried. He goes, talks to his mom, and his mother says, okay, you have to rely on the god. So he's just 5 years old. He goes to the forest. And then on the way, he meets Narada, who then instructs him on what is the best way to worship the Lord. So then what happens is, so Vishanna Hridaye, so his father, right? So his father, Uttanapada, is a nice guy, right? So in the beginning, like it says, he's a nice person, but then, he's not in control over himself. So his heart is he's still feeling bad that his son has now left him and gone. So Nagarim Gatena Sri Narada. So the Narada, who then met Dhruva on the way, comes to the town to meet Uttanapada and Parisantita Chittavriddha. And then he tells Uttanapada, don't worry, whatever your son is doing, he's doing the right thing. So I know you're missing him, but whatever he's doing the right thing. Then Bala Tvad Arpita Manaha. So that boy, Dhruva, Tvad Arpita Manaha, with his mind completely dedicated to you. What he does is Katora Tapasa. He does severe penance, not just normal penance, right? He does severe penance. Panchamasan, for 5 months, he does severe penance. krama varditena, with the penance becoming more and more in intensity, right? So Dhruva is now continuing to do more and more penance, and it is becoming more and more intense. And he does it for like, it's 5 months now. He's been doing this penance. So on the 5, I'll read it first, then we'll break it. Tate vishanna hridaye nagarim gatena srinaradena parisantvita chitta vrittau bhalastvadarpitamanakrama ninhe katora tapasa kila panchamasan. So the first 2 lines you kind of have to say it together, because nagarim gatena srinaradena. So Narada who went to the town, right? So it's tate vishanna hridaye nagarim gatena srinaradena parisantvita chitta vrittau. Parisantvita chitta vrittau. Okay.
What is it, Rajesh?
Parisant vita. Sant with the kuttita, not the full ta. Kuttita. Parisant vita chitta vrittau.
இங்க பரிசா நித்வதன்னு கொடுத்திருக்க.
இல்ல, Sanskrit is parisant vita. Even Tamil also should be the same way. Parisant vita.
Parisant vita.
Yeah. So if it's different in English or something, just correct it. Sant.
Can you say that word again? The whole word
parisant. Parisant, sant, S-A-A-N-T-H, sant, vita, V-I-T-A.
Okay.
Okay. So, tate vishanna hridaye nagarim gatena srinaradena parisantvita chitta vrittau.
Tate vishanna hridaye nagarim gatena srinaradena parisantvita chitta vrittau. Tate vishanna hridaye nagarim gatena srinaradena parisantvita chitta vrittau.
Wait, could you repeat the parisant with the part?
Parisant, parisant, S-A-A-N-T-H. Sant, vita, V-I-T-A. Then chitta vrittau. Okay. Janaki? Janaki, are you on mute? Janaki, can you?
Yeah. You had muted me on Zoom. I'm not.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Sorry. Someone else is not muted actually.
Okay. Can everybody else go on mute?
That's me.
Thank you. Tate vishanna hridaye nagarim gatena srinaradena parisanvita chitta vrittau. Tate vishanna hridaye nagarim gatena srinaradena parisanvita chitta vrittau.
2 things. Nagarim, it's a re, right? Wrong. You said nagarim. It's a nagarim. And parisant, right? So I said it's a TH, parisant.
Okay.
So can you repeat that one time?
Yeah. Tate vishanna hridaye nagarim gatena srinaradena parisantvita chitta vrittau. Is it correct?
Yeah, that's correct. Yes.
Okay. Another time?
Oh, that's fine. I think.
Okay, thank you.
So next line. Balas tvad arpita manaha. So balas tvad arpita manaha. You can say it in one word. Krama vardi thena. End of the line, comma. Ninye katora tapasa kila panchamasan. So just normal. So balas tvadarpita manakama varditena ninye katora tapasa kila panchamasan.
Balas tvadarpita manaha kramavarditena ninye katora tapasa kila panchamasan. Balastvadarpida manaha kramavardhitena ninye kadhora tapasa kila panchamasan.
It is arpita mana akramavardhitena.
Balastvadarpida mana kramavardhitena.
Okay. Balastva
Darpitamana. Balas.
Okay.
You can break it. If you want to break it, you say Balas Tvad Arpitamana.
Kramavartitena. Okay. Balastvatapitamana kramavartitena nitye katora tapasa kila panchamasan. Masan.
Yeah.
Okay. Panchamasan. Balastvatapitamana kramavartitena ninye katora tapasa kila panchamasan.
Correct.
Thank you.
ராஜேஷ் ஒரு நிமிஷம். நீங்க யூசுவலி இந்த இன் வரும்போது லாஸ்ட்ல ஸ்ட்ரெஸ் பண்ணுவீங்க கீழ பஞ்சமாசான் அப்படின்னு இல்லையா? இந்த தடவை வேண்டாமா?
Because it's ending அதனால it just ends at
last line வேண்டாம்.
Last line. If it is continuing, then you say continuation.
Okay.
So next so he's now the penance is going in severe intensity is increasing, right? So the interesting thing here is, so tapobala niruchvasite, so the penance that he is doing, right, it is actually suffocating the human beings and everybody which is in there. Because what has happened was, Dhruva, when he started doing this intense penance, he was beginning to control his breathing. And he was actually meditating on the supreme consciousness, right? Because Narada had told him how to do it. So he was identifying himself as the supreme being, and everybody is one, so he was praying. So because of which, when he had stopped breathing or he was trying to control his thing, it was affecting everybody, right? The whole world was then beginning to get affected by that. So tapobala niruchvasite, so suffocated by the power of penance. Digante, so digante means in all directions. So people who are in all the directions, all over the earth, were getting suffocated. So devartita tvam, so the gods, all the devas reached out to you and said Udayat Karunadra Cheta. So their heart was now filled with compassion, because they're saying this boy is struggling so much, he's doing all this penance and it is not suffocating everybody. And then what was Dhruva doing was Twadrupa Chidra Sanilina Mate. So Twadrupa Chidra, so he's not meditating on like God, he's meditating on the supreme consciousness, and he was visualizing Vishnu's or Krishna's form in a certain way in his mind, although he was meditating on the supreme consciousness. So Purastad, in front of him, Avir Babu Vita, you did come. How? Garudadi Rudaha. You came sitting on Garuda, because that was how he was meditating, right? So this happened when we spoke about Kapilopakyanam as well, right? The same thing was happening, where however you can meditate in any form you want. So whatever form you meditate in, the God then comes in front of you in that particular form. So that's how God came in front of Dhruva. So the sixth. So tavat tapobala niruchvasite digante devartitastvam karunadrachetaha twadrupa chidra sanilina mate purastat avir babhuvita vibho garudadhirudaha. The first two lines, tavat tapobala niruch ch niruch Shvasite digante. So if English naga niruchika is a ch, and then the next is chuvasite. So it is ch again. So you have to stop on the niruch chuvasite digante. Devarthi tastvam udayat karunardra chetaha. Okay, so it's on the first line pause, then second it's all said continuously. So I'll say it slowly. Tavat tapobala niruchvasite digante devarti tastvam udayat karunardrachetaha.
Tavat tapobala niruchvasite digante devarti tastvam udayat karunardrachetaha. Tavat tapobala niruchvasite digante devarti tastvam udayat karunardrachetaha.
Correct.
Tavat tapobala niruchvasite digante devarti tastvam
udayat.
Okay. Devati tastva mudayat karunat chetaha. Karunatra chetaha.
Yeah, correct.
Okay. Tavat tapo bala niruchvasite digande devati tastva mudayat karunatra chetaha.
Correct. Twadrupa chidra sani lina mate purastat. But because there is a visarga there and you're saying purastat after the words, you can put a small f in between. So sina mate purastat. Next line, avir babhuvita vibho garudadi rudaha. So if it's sometimes Sanskrit, they must say purasta and then say davir babhuvida. So you make it purastat avir babhuvida. Twadrupa chidra sanilina mate purastat avir babhuvita vibho garudadi rudaha.
Tudruva chidra sanilina mate purastad avir babhuvita vibho garudadi rudaha. Tudruva chidra sanilina mate purastad avir babhuvita vibho garudadi rudaha.
Is there a rudaha or just ruda?
Rudaha.
But didn't you say that on the last line there shouldn't be like the ha or the na?
No, Kashyap, that is only but it's ending with it and in andamari. But rudaha, that visarga will always, you have to say that in the last.
Tvatrupa chitra sanilina mate purastad avir. Can you say it again if you don't mind?
Twadrupa chidra sanilina mate purastat avir babhu vita vibho garudadi rudaha.
Tvatrupa chitra sanilina mate purastad avir babhu vita vibho garudadi rudaha.
Correct.
Tvatrupa chidra sanili namate purastad avir pabu vida vibho garudadi rudaha.
Correct. So next in Abnaka, Tvad darshana pramada bharata rangitam. So now Dhruva is seeing the darshanam. He's getting the darshanam of the Lord, and by seeing it, he's like overwhelmed. He's just so happy by looking at the Lord. So Drigbhyam Nimagnam Iva. Nimagnam is immersed. Drigbhyam is his eyes were immersed in the Lord, right, in the form. How? Rupa Rasayanete. So you say in your Rupam, which is your form, is like Rasayanam, which itself is nectar. So Dhruva is like so ecstatic at seeing the Lord, and his eyes were immersed in your form, which is like nectar itself. Then Tushtusham Anam Avagamya. So the Lord realizes that Dhruva now wants to praise the Lord or wants to sing things in praise of the Lord. But then he's not able to because he's like wonderstruck, right? He's not able to talk. So what does the Lord do? Kapola Deshe, on Dhruva's cheeks, he says, Sam Sprishtavan Asi. So he says, you touched his cheeks, touched Dhruva's cheeks. How? Darena, with a conch, with the sang, with a conch, the Lord touches Dhruva's cheek. Tatadarena, with great affection, right? So the Vishnu, the conch is said to be like the Veda mantras, right? It's like that. So on the conch, when he touches into Dhruva's cheeks, right? So Dhruva now immediately gets all the knowledge of the world. He gets all of that knowledge because now the Lord touches him with his cheeks affectionately, with his conch. That is Twaddarshana pramada bharata rangitam tam drigyam nimagnamiva rupa rasahyanete tushtushamanam avagamya kapola deshe samsprishtavanasi dharena tathadarena. So Tvad darshana pramada bharata rangitam tam. Tvad darshana pramada bharata rangitam tam, one line, comma, drigbhyam nimagnamiva rupara sayanete. So it's straightforward, just the 2 lines. So twaddarshana pramada bharata rangitam tam drigbhyam nimagnamiva rupara sayanete.
Twaddarshana pramada bharata rangitam tam drigbhyam nimagnamiva rupara sayanete. Twaddarshana pramada bharata rangitam tam drigbhyam nimagnamiva rupara sayanete.
Correct.
Twaddarshana pramada bharata rangitam tam drugyam nimagnamiva ruparasayanete. Is it okay?
Correct, yes.
Okay. Twaddarshana pramada bharata rangitam tam drugyam nimagnamiva ruparasayanete.
Correct. Tushtusha manam avagamya kapola deshe, comma, samsprishta vanasi dharena tathadarena. So this is like the Sanskrit is the big na, not na, right? So it's you're not saying na. So tushtusha manam avagamya kapola deshe samsprishta vanasi dharena tathadarena. So tushtusha manam avagamya kapola deshe samsprishta vanasi dharena tathadarena.
Tushtushamanamavagamya kapola deshe samsprishtavanasi dharena tatha dharena. Tushtushamanamavagamya kapola deshe samsprishtavanasi dharena tatha dharena.
Tushtushamanavagamya kapola deshe
Manam avagamya.
Manamavagamya. Is it okay? Okay. Tushtushamanamavagamya kapola.
It's ta. Tushtusha.
Tushtushamanamavagamya kapola deshe samsprishtavanasi dharena tatha dharena.
Correct.
Okay. Tushtushamanamavagamya kapola deshe samsprishtavanasi dharena tatha dharena.
Correct. So now the Lord touches, Dhruva's cheeks, which is conch, and when he does, what happens is Tava then Vibodha Vimalam. So now whatever is blocking Dhruva's mind, right, to get the ultimate knowledge is all cleansed and it becomes pure, which means he now understands everything. So Vibodha Vimalam. So now when that happens, Pranuvantam, so he now Enam. So he now starts praising the Lord, right? He starts singing songs and praising the Lord. Then Tvam Abhashataha, you then tell him, Avagamya, knowing Thadiya Bhavam, what is in his mind. So the Lord knows what is in Dhruva's mind. So knowing what is there in Dhruva's mind, the Lord tells him, Rajyam, so the kingdom, Chiram, for a long time, some Anubhuya, you'll be enjoying. So you'll enjoy your kingdom and your kingship for a really long time. And then Bhajasva Bhuyaha, so after that, Sarvotharam, so which is the highest of everything, Sarvotharam Padam, the state which is the highest of all the states. What is that? That is liberation. So he says, Vinivritti Hinam, from which there is no return. So the Lord, Dhruva mind becomes clear. Lord now understands what is in Dhruva's mind and then tells him, you will now go, you will be able to rule your kingdom for several years happily. And once everything is done, then you'll attain that state, which is the highest state, which is the state of liberation, right? That's what happens in that stanza 7 or 8. So tavat vibodha vimalam pranuvantamenam abhashatastvam avagamya tadiyya bhavam rajyam chiram samanubhuya bhajasva bhuyah sarvottaram dhruvapadam vinivrittihinam. So tavat vibodha vimalam pranuvantam enam. So pranuvantam enam. Next line. Abhasha thastvam avagamya thadiya bhavam. So abhasha thastvam avagamya thadiya bhavam. So the first line should end with pranuvantam enam. Next line abhasha. Tavat vibodha vimalam pranuvantam abhasha thastvam avagamya thadiya bhavam.
Rajesh, could you please repeat the second line, please?
Yeah. Abhasha thas tvam, thas thas, thas tvam avagamya thadiya bhavam.
तावद्विबोध विमलं प्रणुवन्दमेनं आभाषथास्त्वम् अवगम्य तदीयभावम् तावद्विबोध विमलं प्रणुवन्दमेनं आभाषथास्त्वम् अवगम्य तदीयभावम्.
Correct.
तावद्विबोध विमलं प्रणुवन्तमेनं आभाषतास्त्वम् अवगम्य तदीयभावम् तावद्विबोध विमलं प्रणुवन्तमेनं आभाषतास्त्वम् अवगम्य तदीयभावम्.
Correct. Next line. Rajyam chiram samanubhuya bhajasva bhuyah, comma, sarvottaram dhruvapadam vinivritti hinam. So there's no correction that goes. So Rajyam chiram samanubhuya bhajasva bhuyah sarvottaram dhruvapadam vinivritti hinam.
राज्यं चिरं समनुभूय भजस्व भूयः सर्वोत्तरं ध्रुवपदं विनिवृत्तिहीनम्. राज्यं चिरं समनुभूय भजस्व भूयः सर्वोत्तरं ध्रुवपदं विनिवृत्तिहीनम्.
Vinivrittihinam.
Vinivrittihinam. Is it together or?
I mean, you can vinivritti. So vinivrittihinam. Vritti. So there's a ta and then there's another small ta. So it is vinivrittihinam.
Sarvottaram dhruvapadam vinivrittihinam.
Correct.
Rajyam siram samanubhuya bhajasva bhuyah sarvottaram dhruvapadam vinivrittihinam. Rajyam siram samanubhuya bhajasva bhuyah sarvottaram dhruvapadam vinivrittihinam.
Correct. Next, iti uchishi, ityuchishi. So having said that way, tvai, you, gato, you disappear. So having said this, the Lord disappeared. Asau nipanandanaha. So that prince, which is Dhruva, Nagarim upetaha, comes back to his town. Anandita akila janaha. All the people are like extremely happy. So the Lord says this, the Lord disappears, that prince now comes back to his town, and having seen him, all the people in the town are extremely happy. So Reme Chiram. So he then enjoys this, right, for a really long time. What does he enjoy? Is Tate Gate Chavanam. When his father goes to the forest, when his father's time is over as ruling as a king, the Uttanapada goes to the forest. So Adritaha Rajya Bara. So he takes over the administration of the kingdom, which means he becomes the king, right? Rajya Bara. He takes over the administration of the king, and he Reme Chiram, he enjoys that for a really long time. Bhavat Anugraha Purna Kamaha, right? So here it says, it's because his desires, right? It's a person whose desires were all fulfilled. All his desires were fulfilled only by your grace. Say Bhavad Anugraha Purna Kamaha. Everything is now fulfilled. All his desires are fulfilled by your grace. So he now runs the administration. He becomes the king and he runs it for a long time. Ityuchishitvai gate nrupanandanosau anandita kila jano nagarim upetaha reme chiram bhavadanuggraha purna kamaha tate gate cha vanamadrita rajya bharaha. So ityuchishi tvai gate nrupanandanosau. So asau nrupanandanaha, that prince nrupanandanosau. In case you're
Rajesh, once again. So iti yuchishiya or ityuchishiya?
Ityuchishi. When you're saying it together, it's ityuchishi. But
Okay, no iti.
Iti is thus having said thus iti uchishi. But when you join it, it becomes ityuchishi. Ityuchishi. Okay, when you're saying it, you say ityuchishi. So ityuchishi tvai gate nrupananda no sau. So make a sau there in Sanskrit. Sometimes it will say sa ananda banandita kila jano. Next line la potrupa. So make it nrupananda no sau. Next line is anandita kila jano nagarim upetaha. So ityuchishtvai gate nrupanandano sau anandita kila jano nagarim upetaha.
Ityuchushi tuigate
Ityuchishi. Chi.
Ityuchishi tuigate nirmanandano sau anandita kila jano nagarim upetaha. Ityuchishi tvai gate nrupanandano sau anandita kila jano nagarim upetaha.
Ityuchishi tvai gate nrupanandano sau anandita kila jano nagarim upetaha. Is it okay?
That's right.
Yeah. Ityuchishi tvai gate nupanandano sau anandita kila jano nagarim upetaha.
Correct.
Rajesh. Rajesh. இது வந்து இத்யுச்சுஷியா சுஷி போட்டிருக்கு இந்த புக்ல.
இத்யுச்சிஷி தான் போட்டிருக்கு என்னோட. Let me check.
புக்ல சுஷி போட்டிருக்கு.
சுஷி போட்டிருக்கு.
ஆமா.
என்ன இந்த புக்ல
சுஷி புக் போட்டிருக்கு.
ஆமா. CHU மாதிரி இருக்கு. சூ தான் இருக்கு எங்களுக்கு.
ஆமா. CHU இருக்கு. ஆமா.
Okay, let me check and get back, okay? Because in both my books it says chishi.
English the chishi தான் கொடுத்திருக்கு.
In Sanskrit also it's chishi.
Chishi only, right?
Yeah. எனக்கும் இதுல இது இத்யுச்சிஷி தான் கொடுத்திருக்கு.
chishi தான்.
சான்ஸ்கிரிட் தமிழ் ரெண்டுலயுமே.
ஓ என்னோட தமிழ்ல சூ இருக்கு. We can change it to chi then.
Yeah.
English chi தான் இருக்கு.
ஆமா. Both the books I have says chi only.
சரி.
அப்ப chishi. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Lakshmi orderly.
So the next what happens is yakshena means by the yaksha nihate.
We didn't do the second line.
We didn't do the second line.
Oh, sorry.
The second, yeah.
Okay. 9th or the second.
Sure. Okay. Reme chiram bhavad anugraha. So bhavad anugraha, you can say it continuously. Reme chiram bhavad anugraha purna kamaha. The next line becomes thate gatecha. So thate gatecha vanamadrita rajya bharaha. So vanam adrita rajya bharaha. And you say together vanamadrita rajya bharaha. So reme chiram bhavadanugraha purna kamaha thate gatecha vanamadrita rajya bharaha.
रेमे चिरं भवदनुग्रह पूर्णकामः ताते गते च वनमादृतराज्यभारः रेमे चिरं भवदनुग्रह पूर्णकामः ताते गते च वनमादृतराज्यभारः
रेमे चिरं भवदनुग्रह पूर्णकामः ताते गते च वनमातृतराज्यभारः रेमे चिरं भवदनुग्रह पूर्णकामः ताते गते च वनमातृतराज्यभारः.
Correct. So now Dhruva is ruling the kingdom. Everything is going fine. Time passes. then what happens is yakshena nihate. Yakshena is by a yaksha, nihate, killed. Who gets killed? Uttamesmin, Uttama, who is Dhruva's brother, right? Uttama gets killed by yaksha. So story is Uttama, he doesn't get married. He goes on a hunting excursion one day, and then he gets killed by a yaksha. And then along with him, his mother Surchi also goes, and she also dies. I don't know how she dies, but she also eventually dies, going to look for him. So when that happens, what does Dhruva do? Is Yuddha Nirataha. Dhruva now goes and fights, gets into a battle with those yakshas. Yuddha Nirataha. But then Manupya, when the Swayambhu Manu comes in, what does he do? He advises him. So when he advises him, Dhruva Virataha, he withdraws the battle. Right? So Manu comes and tells him, don't fight. This is not the right thing to do. So Dhruva then withdraws the battle with the yaksha. So looking at the Shantya, looking at how peaceful he is and the fact that he's willing to get into peace, and Prasanna, being happy with that, in Hridaya Prasanna, so being pleased in his heart, Dhanadad, so the person who has a lot of money, who is that? Kubera, right? So this is Dhanadad, the person who has a lot of money, Kubera, then he really comes and praises him, is really pleased with him, and that's because Bhattacharya says, he's a great soul, he's a Mahatma. Why? Because Tvad Bhaktim Eva, he is devotion only to you, right? So the summary of this is Uttama goes to the forest, he meets a yaksha, he gets into a battle, Uttama is killed, his mother also dies. Then Dhruva goes to fight the battle. Then Manu comes and tells him, don't fight, withdraw it. And then being happy with it, Kubera is also really pleased. I mean, Kubera is pleased, that means Dhruva essentially gets more wealth, right? And Bhattacharya is saying, he asks, what do you want? So Dhruva says that all I want is just firm devotion. And he's able to ask for that only because he already has firm devotion, right? So he already has a lot of devotion, and he says the only other thing I want is just firm devotion to the Lord. So that is that 10th one. So yakshena deva nihate punarutthamesmin yakshaisa yuddha nirato virato manuktya shantya prasanna hridaya dhanadhadu petat tvad bhaktim eva sudridham avrunon mahatma. This has got a little bit of tongue twisters. So yakshena deva nihate punaruttamesmin. So that ends that line, comma there. Punaruttamesmin. So here you have to emphasize that in yakshaihi sa. So because you have the visarga there and it starts with sa, you can put a small is in between. So yakshaisa yuddha nirato virato manuktya. Okay. So no change to that. So yakshena deva nihate punaruttamesmin yakshaisa yuddha nirato virato manuktya.
Yakshena deva nihade punaruttamismin yakshaisa yuddha nirato virato manuktya. Yakshena deva nihade punaruttamismin yakshaisa yuddha nirato virato manuktya.
Yakshena deva nihate punaruttamismin yakshaisa yuddha nirado virato manuktya. Yakshena manuktya. Okay. Yakshena deva nihate punaruttamismin yakshaisa yuddha nirato virato manuktya.
Correct.
Rajesh, once again. So why Kubera came here is Kubera is the king of the yakshas.
Yeah.
That's why he himself was pleased. Came and blessed him.
Correct. Next, Shantya Prasanna Hridayad Dhanadhad Upetat. So Dhanadhad Upetat, if you want to really break it in your mind, Prasanna Hridayad Dhanadhad Upetat. Okay, but you have to say it continuously. Shantya Prasanna Hridaya Dhanadhadu Petat, comma, Tvad Bhaktim Eva Sudridham avrunon mahatma. Okay, tvad bhaktim eva sudrudham avrunon mahatma. Right, so say that slowly. Shantya prasanna hridaya dhanadhadupetat tvad bhaktim eva sudrudham avrunon mahatma.
Shantya prasanna hridayathanadhadupetat त्वद्भक्तिमेव सुदृढाम् अवृणोन् महात्मा शान्त्या प्रसन्न हृदयात्थनदादुपेतात् त्वद्भक्तिमेव सुदृढाम् अवृणोन् महात्मा.
शान्त्या प्रसन्न हृदयात्थनदादुपेतात् त्वद्भक्तिमेव सुदृढाम् Avruno Mahatma.
Su. It's not shu. Sudrudam. Sasa, not sh, just s.
Okay. Sudrudam. Is it correct?
Yeah, Sudrudam, correct.
Sudrudam. Avruno Mahatma.
Correct.
Okay. Shantya Prasanna Hrudayat Dhanadad.
Dhanadad upetat.
Okay. Shantya prasanna hridayat dhanadad upetat tvat-bhaktimeva shrutudam avruno mahatma.
Yeah, just be careful. You're saying it as shudrudam. It is not shudrudam. It's sudrudam. So it's just an S, not sh. Yeah.
I cannot pronounce that word.
Yeah, no worries. Just make a note, right? And practice that. Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. So last, what happens now? Last stanza, right? Ante, at the very end now, right? Ante. Bhavat Purusha Nita Vimana Yato. So Bhavat Purusha, so the gods, messengers, or the attendants of the gods come in a Vimana, in an aircraft, in a celestial car. And then what happens? Matra Samam, along with his mother, along with Dhruva's mother. So Dhruva, along with his mother, Mudita Aste. So he's still living happily where? Dhruva Pade, in Dhruva Loka. So he's saying at the end, when after all this is done, the Lord's attendants come and then take Dhruva and his mother, and then they're still living happily now in Dhruva Loka, which is the Dhruva star, right? And then in the end it says, Vatala Yadipa, O Lord of Guruvayur, Mama Ama Yogan Nirundi. So please eradicate all the ailments I have, not just the one ailment which Bhattatripat started with. In the end it says, all the ailments, all the problems and diseases I have, please eradicate that. That's the end of this.
Wait, I have one question. So usually all the Dasikams have only 10 chapters, but why does this one have 11?
Some of them have 11, some have 10. It just depends on how long it takes to complete that story. That's all. Ante bhavat purushanita vimana yato matra samam druvapade mudito hyamaste evam swabritya janapalana lodhadistvam vathalayadipa mamama yoghan. So ante bhavat purusha nita vimana yato, comma, ante bhavat purusha nita vimana yato matra samam druvapade muditoya maste. That's it. So ante bhavat purusha nita vimana yato matra samam druvapade muditoya maste.
Rajesh, is it Vimana Yataha or Yato?
Vimana Yato.
Idile Yataha potrukku Rajesh.
Let me check what it says in the English version. Hold on.
We have Yato.
Enakku Yato da irukku.
English has Yato.
Tamil Sanskrit ரெண்டுலயும் யாத்தோ தான் போட்டுருக்கு.
என்னோட சான்ஸ்கிரிட் இங்கிலீஷ் ரெண்டுலயுமே யாத்தஹா போட்டுருக்கு.
எனக்கும் யாத்தஹா தான் போட்டுருக்கு English and Sanskrit.
Yeah, I know the English also is saying yato only, but
yeah, the printout says yato.
Yeah, see, but actually in the word paathenaka bhavat purusha vimana yataha is kind of like the, but I don't know why it says yato, but ella books in yato nam potrukku. So I would assume because the meaning description, they're also saying yataha. I think it's a verb in the Sanskrit, the same, it is like by him, to him, from him. The context it is yato. But if you're just saying it in standalone form, it's yataha is like brought what came. And then he's saying you are going in the car brought by the attendants. And now it's yato. That's how I'm reading it. If you want to just correct it to yato, then.
Ante bhavat purushanita vimanayato matra samam dhruvapade mudito yamaste. Ante bhavat purushanita vimanayato matra samam dhruvapade mudito yamaste.
Correct.
Ante bhavat purushanita vimanayato matra samam dhruvapade mudito yamaste. Ante bhavat purushanita vimanayato matra samam dhruvapade mudito yamaste.
Correct. Evam swa bhrithya jana palana lola distvam, comma. So evam swa bhrithya jana palana lola distvam, comma. Vatala yadipa nirundi mamama yaughan. So evam swabhritya jana palana lola distvam vatala yadipa nirundi mamama yaughan.
Evam swabhritya jana palana lola distvam vatala yadipa nirundi mamama yaughan. Evam swabhritya jana palana lola distvam Vatalayathipa nirunthi mama mayaukan.
Evam swabhritya jana balana loladistvam vatalayadipa anirundi mama mayaukan. Evam swabhritya jana balana Lolatistvam Vatalayadipa nirundi mama yogan.
Mama yogan.
Vatalayadipa nirundi mama yogan.
Correct. Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. So that completes chapter 17, which is Dhruva Charitram. So just like how Dhruva was a big devotee, who then the Lord came and blessed. So the next chapter which you're doing is 22. So Ajamilo Pakyanam. So I don't know how many people here know about Ajamila. So he was also a big devotee, and in previous chapters, right, we read about the various type, how all Lord can come and help. So the Ajamila Pakyanam is purely based on the bhakti, right? Bhakti irunda enna nadakkum and how the God will come and help. This is a story. So starting la pathiyannaka Pura. So long time back, Mahisura, there was a Brahmana called Ajamilan. And that Ajamilan was a grihashrami. He was a normal householder. And then Dharmapadan. So he was leading a very righteous life. He was a Brahmin. He had learned all the Vedas. He was leading a righteous life. So Gurur Gira, in this context, his father was also his guru. So Gurur Gira. So because his father is telling him at the request of his father, Khana Nametya, he goes to the forest one day to pick dadbai and sticks and everything for the homam and everything. So Drishtva, so he sees Sudrishta Sheelam, right? So he says, but the person is a person who is not of the highest character, right? A person who is not of a great character. Sudrishta Sheelam, Kulatam, a woman who is not of high morals, right? And Madakula, so who drinks. So when he goes to the forest, he sees a lady there. So the Sukadeva, right? When he's saying this to Parikshit, so Parikshit says, "Hey, give me an example of somebody who the Lord has really come and blessed in a problem, and how it has happened. So Sukadeva then gives the story of Ajamila. So Ajamila, the place he was born is in the Kanuj in Uttar Pradesh. It is called something else before. And then his parents, they were all Brahmins, and they trained him to study all the Vedas, and he was actually leading a very straightforward life. So that's kind of his quick background. And then this happens, right? So in the tune, it's a small paragraph, so it's slightly different tune, is it? Or similar to the small ones. So Ajamilo nama mahi surah pura charan vibho dharma pathan grihashrami guror gira khananametya drishtavan sudrushta shilam kulatham madakulham. So Ajamilo nama Mahisurah Pura, because Pura vardhu and is a visarga, so put a small if. Mahisurah Pura, comma Charan Vibho Dharma Patan Grihashrami. So it's straightforward. So Ajamilo nama Mahisurah Pura Charan Vibho Dharma Patan Grihashrami.
Ajamilo nama Mahisurah Pura.
Mute பண்ணுங்க சார். Mute இல்லை.
Ajamilo nama Mahisurapura charan vibho dharma padan grihashrami. Ajamilo nama Mahisurapura charan vibho dharma padan grihashrami.
Ajamilo nama Mahishurapura charan vibho dharma padan grihashrami. Ajamilo nama Mahishurapura charan vibho dharma padan grihashrami.
I think again that sa and sha. So I think you said you're not able to say that, but just
which
benefit,
one?
It is sa. Okay.
Mahisurapura.
Yeah, Surapura. Yeah.
Okay. Ajamilo nama Mahisurapura charan vibho dharma padan grihashrami.
Correct. Next line. Guror gira khananametya drishtavan, comma sudrishta shilam kulatham madakulam. Okay. So Guror gira khananametya drishtavan sudrishta shilam kulatham madakulham.
Guror gira kananametya drishtavan sudrishta shilam kuladam madakulam. Guror gira kananametya drishtavan sudrishta shilam kuladam madakulam.
Guror gira kananametya drishtavan sudrishta shilam kuladam madakulam. Gurur gira kananametya drishtavan sudrushta shilam kulatam madakulam.
Correct. So next paragraph. Swata prashanto api. So although he is a person of like a very self-controlled, right? He can control his mind. Is a self-controlled nature. So tada hrid ashayaha. So his mind now gets attached to her, right? Although he's a person of, all this control. And then what happens is swa dharmam utsrajya. So he gives up all his duties. Thaya samaraman, and starts enjoying her company. So, and then I'll tell the story after we complete this. So then adharmakari, then he starts leading a adharmam life, unrighteous life. Dashami Bhavan, then when he becomes very old, then Ratim Dadau Bhavan Nama Yute Sute. So he gets a son who he gives your name, Bhavan Nama. So Narayana, right? And then he becomes very attached. Ratim Dadau, he becomes very attached to that son, right? That's the gist of the paragraph. But when extend pani story chulitinaka, so because he practices all the scriptures, he's very self-controlled. So when he sees this woman in the forest, he tries not to see her, not to get influenced by her. But then there was only so much he was able to control. And what Bhattacharya and what Bhagavatam also says here, because all this comes out of Bhagavatam, right? So Bhagavatam, what this says is, the knowledge and the intellect, when you have that, it is great. Those are also paths to devotion. But those kind of, at certain point, they give away, which is what happened to Ajamil, right? He gave away and he got control of, because of the lust, right, that he had, he lost control. And then he lost sense of his good sense. And here, Bhagavatam, it also says that, so the Bhakti Margam, the more and more you are involved in the Bhakti Margam, they say then all of these things start coming down. The lust also starts coming down. This knowledge and this thing, at some point, it starts giving away and this lust can take over. That's what Bhagavatam explains. But in this story, what happens is he then follows that prostitute, actually. She's a prostitute. And then he brings her home as a servant first. He brings her home as a servant, keeps her in the house for his wife. He's married with his first wife, and then he has kids. But then he brings her home as a servant, and then he then runs away. He leaves his house and then goes with this lady, right? He abandons his family and goes with this lady. And then how does he now keep up with the requirements, right? There's a lot of demand. His wife has a lot of desires. So to keep up with the desires of this new wife now, what he does is he starts making money in unrighteous ways, right? He starts cheating, he starts gambling, he starts doing all the wrong things to make money to support his new wife now. And then when he's about 80 years, because Andhagalatha people live for a really long time, so he was 80 years, he had 10 sons, 10 kids with this wife, with this new wife. But at the Kadasi point, the last son, right, he was named Narayana, right? So again, Bhagavatam says is the reason he gave that name Narayana was because even though people commit a lot of things, originally, if you have been devoted and you start doing a lot of these good things, at some point, right, things will start turning and you still have that small ounce of bhakti or something, because of which he named his last kid as Narayana, not any of the other kids, right? None of the other kids had that name. So that is the kind of the gist of that paragraph. So, Swata Prashantopi Tadha Hridhashayah Swadharmamutsrajyataya Samaraman Adharmakari Dashami Bhavan Punaha Dadho Bhavan Nama Yute Sute Ratim. So Swata Prashantopi Tada Hridhashayah, Swadharmam Utsrujya. You can say it as Swadharmam Utsrujya, Thaya Samaraman. So Swata Prashantopi Tadha Hritashayah Swadharmam Utsrujya Thaya Samaraman.
Swadar Prashantopi Tadha Hritashayah Swadharmam Utsrujya Thaya Samaraman. Swadar Prashantopi Tadha Hritashayah Swadharmamutsrujya Taya Samaraman.
Swata Prashantopi Tadha
Lalita mute.
Hey, Lalita mute.
Sorry. Swata Prashantopi.
Sorry, I'm so surprised.
No, I thought he's telling me something. So,
sorry. Okay.
No worries. Swata Prashantopi Tata Hritashayah Swadharmamutsrujya Daya Samaraman.
Thaya, small ta.
Thaya Samaram. Swata Prashantopi Tata Hritashayah Swadharmamutsrujya Thaya Samaraman.
Correct. Adharmakari Dashami Bhavan Punaha, then, so Punaha, put a visarga there, comma. Next line, Dadhau Bhavan Nama Yute Sute Ratim. So Adharmakari Dashami Bhavan Punaha Dadhau Bhavan Nama Yute Sute Ratim.
Adharmakari Dashami Bhavan Punaha Dadhau Bhavan Nama Yute Sute Ratim. अधर्मकारी दशमी भवन् पुनः दधौ भवन् नामयुते सुतेरतिम्
अधर्मकारी दशमी भवन् पुनः तदौ भवन् नामयुते सुतेरतिम् अधर्मकारी दशमी भवन् पुनः तदौ भवन् नामयुते सुतेरतिम्.
Ratim, correct. Then what happens? Mrityu Kale, at the time of his death, Yamaraja Kinkaran, the messengers of the Lord of Death, messengers of Yama, Bhayankaran Treen. So 3 of them who were Bhayankaran, who were looking ferocious and who were looking very scary. And then Abhilakshayan, so when he sees them, right, Ajamilan actually sees these 3 people coming, standing there. And then Bia, he is not fearful. You know, suddenly gets a lot of fear in his mind when he sees that. But Twat Smriti Vasana Balat. Twat Smriti Vasana Balat. Right? So due to the strength, due to the balam of the vasana of your smriti. So because he's been praying before, he even had a little ounce, right, of the thing still left thinking about you. And because of that strength and because of that in his mind, what did he do? Juhava, he called whom? Sutam, his son. Which son he calls? Narayana Namakam, the son whose name is Narayana. Now, there's a couple of ways this has been explained, right, in other places. Some have said that he didn't intend to call Lord Narayana. He just called his son Narayana, right? That's one way. But the thing also is, right, and this is like, you know, you can talk to people, right? People will say that when the time of your death comes, and if you're seeing these messengers of Yama and all these things that happen, you know you're about to die, a lot of things run through your mind, right? So understand, people think, oh, what's going to happen to my wife? What's going to happen to my wealth? What's going to happen to my property? A lot of these things happen, right? So anda samayatla, if you want to call the Lord's name, right, that the only way you'll do that is if you've been doing that over a period of time. A lot of people say, oh, ipa call upon the time of my death, I'll call, think of the Lord, right? That will never happen, right? You have to keep building it in you. Only then it will naturally come. So even though, so the couple of things he's done right because of his previous devotion was he named his son Narayana and he thought of calling him at that time, and that's what he does, right? He calls Narayana several times out of fear, right? He calls that name out. So Samrityu Kale Yamaraja Kinkaran Bhayankaram Strina Bilakshayan Biha Puramana Tvatsmriti Vasana Bhalat Juhavanarayana Namakam Sutam. So Samrityu Kale Yamaraja Kinkaran, comma, Bhayankaram Strin Abhilakshayan Bhiya. Bhayankaram Strin Abhilakshayan Bhiya. Samrityu Kale Yamaraja Kinkaran Bhayankaram Strin Abhilakshayan Bhiya.
Samrityu Kale Yamaraja Kinkaran Bhayankaram Strin Abhilakshayan Bhiya. Samrityu Kale Yamaraja Kinkaran Bhayankaram Strin Abhilakshayan Bhiya.
Samrityu Kale Yamaraja Kinkaran Bhayankaram Strin Abhilakshayan Bhiya. Okay. Abhilakshayan Bhiya. Samrityu Kale Yamaraja Kinkaran Bhayankaram Strin Abhilakshayan Bhiya. Abhilakshayan Bhiya.
Correct.
Okay, sorry.
Pura Manak Twat Smriti Vasana Balat, comma, Juhava Narayana Namakam Sutam. So Pura Manak Twat Smriti Vasana Balat Juhava Narayana Namakam Sutam.
Pura Manak Twat Smriti Vasana Balat Juhava Narayana Namakam Sutam. पुरामनात् त्वत्स्मृतिवासनाबलात् जुहाव नारायणनामकं सुतम्.
How do you pronounce the second word? Puramana?
Manak. Manak. Not ka. It is a ka with a line underneath it. So Puramanak.
Manak.
Puramanak.
Okay. Puramanak tvat smriti vasana balat. Juhavana balat. Puramana tvati smriti vasana balat. Juhavanarayana namakam sutam. Puramana tvati smriti.
Tvat smriti.
Oh, sorry. Puramana tvat smriti vasana palat juhavanarayana namakam sutam.
Correct. Okay. So he calls, right, his son Narayana. So Durasha Yasyapi, right? So even though he was evil-minded because he's been doing a lot of bad things, Durasha Yasyapi. Tadatva nirgata Tvadiya namakshara matra vaibhavat. So Tvadiya namakshara matra vaibhavat. So solely only because of the glory of the letters of your name that he said, Bhattacharya says, solely just because of Tadatva nirgata Tvadiya namakshara matra vaibhavat, because of the glory of the letters that came out of your mouth, of his mouth, which was of you, O Lord, right? Puraha, in front of him, who came? Abhipetu, immediately, who came in front of him was Bhavadiya Parshadaha. So the messengers of the Lord, of the Bhagavan, Bhavadiya Parshadaha. And how did they come? Shatur Bhuja, 4 arms, Pita, yellow, Pataha, wearing robes. So wearing robes which are yellow color, Pita Pata, Manorama, looking of enchanting appearance, of great appearance, right? So just by the glory of the letters which came out of his mouth, 4 of your messengers came, right? They were dressed in a yellow, they had 4 hands and they were wearing yellow robes and they were of enchanting appearances. So Durashayasyapi tadatva nirgadatvadhiya namakshara vaibhavat purobi petur bhavadiya parshadaha Chadurbuja Pita Patha Manoramaha. So because on the Tadatva Nirgata Tvadiya Namaksh, it says because of these reasons, right? So those 2 lines are joined. So Durasha Yasyapi Tadatva Nirgata, then put a plus to join the next 2 lines. Tvadiya Namakshara Matra Vaibhavat. Okay, so
Rajesh.
Yeah.
Rajesh, in the last line, you have Manorama chonnela.
Manoramaha.
Manohara nu potrukkenga.
Manoharava.
Inge Manohara potrukku.
Even I was about to ask same. Yeah. Manohara da potrukku.
Manohara nu potrukkallar.
எல்லாத்துலயும் அப்படிதான் போட்டிருக்கு.
Manoharaha.
Manohara.
Manohara, yeah.
Hara da potrukku. Manoramana lady ki thane solluvalliyo.
Manorama is like how its appearance. Manorama. Let me check what it says in English.
I thought Manorama was like more lady ki solluvan. Sorry.
Check. I'll go follow up and because it says Manorama.
Manorama actually.
வேற ஒரு ஆன்லைன் வெர்ஷன்ல கூட மனோரமான்னு இருக்கு.
மனோரமா தான் இருக்கு ரெண்டுலயும். சான்ஸ்கிரிட்லயும்
சான்ஸ்கிரிட் and தமிழ். இவர் ஒரு வெர்ஷன் வச்சிருக்காரு சான்ஸ்கிரிட் and தமிழ். அதுல மனோரமா தான் இருக்கு.
என்னோடல மனோஹரான் தான் போட்டுருக்கு.
ஆனா இந்த புக்ல மனோஹரா தான் போட்டுருக்கு.
மனோஹரான் தான்.
அப்பியரன்ஸ்னு வரும்போது ஹரா வராது, ரமா தான்.
அதனால மனோரமான் தான். அதனால தான் மனோரமான் பீத்தப்பட்ட
எல்லாரும் ரமான் மாத்திக்கோங்க.
எல்லாம் ரமாஹான் மாத்திக்கோங்க. ரமாஹா.
Manoramaha va?
Ramaha.
Ramaha, okay.
What is it?
Manorama. Ramaha. Ramaha the visarga. So.
Okay, got it.
So the first 2 lines are so Durashayasyapi Tadatva Nirgadatvadhi Janama Ksharamatra Vaibhavat.
दुराशयस्यापि दया तदास्य निर्गतत्वदीयनामाक्षरमात्रवैभवात् दुराशयस्यापि तदास्य
तदात्व
दुराशयस्यापि तदात्वनिर्गतत्वदीयनामाक्षरमात्रवैभवात्.
Correct. Janaki?
Okay, sorry. I thought somebody saying something. Durashayasyapi tadatva nirgadattvadiyanamaksharamatravaibavat. Durashayasyapi tadatva nirgadattvadiyanamaksharamatravaibavat.
So purobi petur bhavadhiya parshadhaha, comma chaturbuja pita patha manoramaha. So purobi petur bhavadhiya parshadhaha chaturbuja pita patha manoramaha.
पुरोभिपेदुर्भवदीयपार्षदाः चतुर्भुजापीतपडा मनोरमाः. पुरोभिपेदुर्भवदीयपार्षदाः चतुर्भुजापीतपडा मनोरमाः.
पुरोभिपेदुर्भवदीयपार्षदाः भवदीयपार्षदाः चतुर्भुजापीतपटा मनोरमाः. पुरोभिपेदुर्भवदीयपार्षदाः चतुर्भुजापीतपटा मनोरमाः.
Rajesh, Pataha Manoramaha or just Patar Manoramaha?
Pita Patha Manoramaha.
No ha no?
No, not after Pata. So let's see, maybe we'll try to squeeze in just one more paragraph today. So, see, just a quick meaning. So, so the messengers of Yama come, and what they do is they tie Ajamilan with ropes and then they drag him. So, when that happens, then the messengers of the Lord come in and say, they stop him, stop the messengers of Yama, and tell them to release Ajamilan. Right? So they obstruct the messengers and tell him to release Ajamilan. So amum cha sampashya vikarshato batan vimunchate tyarurudhur baladami nivaritaste cha bhavajjanaistadha tadiya papam nikilam nyavedayan. So amum cha sampashya vikarshato batan, comma vimuncha thetya rurudhurbha ladami. Okay, so vimuncha thetya rurudhurbha ladami. So amum cha sampasha vikarshato bhatane vimuncha thetya rurudhurbha ladami.
अमुं च सम्पाश्य विकर्षदो फडान् विमुञ्चतेत्यारुरुधुर्बलादमी. अमुं च सम्पाश्य विकर्षदो फडान् विमुञ्चतेत्यारुरुधुर्बलादमी.
अमुं च सम्भाष्य विकर्षतो भटान् दुर्बलादमी. अमुं च सम्भाष्य विकर्षतो भटान् विमुञ्चदेत्यारुरुदुर्बलादमी.
निवारितास्ते च भवज्जनैस्तदा, तदीय पापं निखिलं न्यवेदयन्. निवारितास्ते च भवज्जनैस्तदा तदीय पापं निखिलं न्यवेदयन्.
निवारितास्तेज भवज्जनैस्तदा तदीयपापं निखिलं न्यवेदयन् निवारितास्तेज भवज्जनैस्तदा तदीयपापं निखिलं न्यवेदयन्
निवारितास्ते च भवज्जनैस्तदा तदीयपापं निखिलं न्यवेदयन् निखिलं न्यवेदयन् ओके निवारितास्ते च भवज्जनैस्तदा तदीयपापं निखिलं न्यवेदयन्.
Okay, so we'll end it at 5. So we'll say Sandhanandava Khayanavacha and wrap up the class. Sandhanandhavabodhatmakamανupamidam kaladeshavadebhyam nirmuktam nityamuktam nigamashatasahasrena nirbhasyamanam aspashtam drishtamatre punarurupurushartatmakam brahmadattvam तत्तावद्भाति साक्षात् गुरुपवनपुरे हन्त भाग्यं जनानां कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृते स्वभावात् करोमि सकलं परस्मै नारायणाय समर्पयामि. Shri Krishnaaya Parabrahmane Namaha. With that, we'll end today's class. So the next, in the chapter, the next 2 chapters are kind of the toughest, one of the toughest chapters, Narasimha Avadaram, 24 and 25. So you can have the printout for 24 ready for the next class.
Okay. Thank you, Rajesh. Thank you so much.
Everyone.
Thank you.
Rajesh.